We're going for a ride, y'all. Hold on.
Yeah, how much is this board right here?
These here? Yeah, we got that. Oh, yeah. It'll 8 out perfect.
Yes.
Box.
Yeah, that's where I gravitate.
This one here. Because what I plan on doing is kind of like a Star Wars table. These are nice too.
Yes, sir.
I reckon after you run these through the planer and platinum, you should be about 1.75 inches, maybe like
Inch and a half, inch and a half.
Yeah, you'll definitely be 1.5 inches.
Good. That's perfect. That's perfect for me.
See, that goes all the way through too.
Yes. And it'll get better when you chisel out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It'll just open it up even more once you clear out all that dead.
So that one would be 130, 131.